Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick little new feature update under pipelines or opportunities, as some call them. You now have the opportunity to turn on list view, right? As opposed to columns, you can click on it here to go to list mode. So it's not a big feature for most people, but there's a lot of requests. So it's nice to have. You can go check it out, see if this works for you. And essentially what you can do is obviously you can add, there's advanced filters over here. If you click on it, you can add more filters. You can sort, obviously, each category there is. You can resize these columns, right? You can manage them, you can rearrange them, you can do all this stuff. So just kind of, obviously you can export it. So yeah, go check it out. If you don't have this visible right now under pipelines, then what you need to do is you need to go to settings and labs and then scroll to the bottom, because then if you don't have it, it's a really new feature. And I think mid-July it should be available to everyone without, it's going to be kind of out of the labs, out of the beta. So yeah, keep that in mind if it's not showing up over here. But yeah, go check it out. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support. Just ask us anything, Funneltopia. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.